People! It's about that time.
It's about to go down.
Well, not necessarily the time, but it's about that time that we've been talking about.
Yeah, our vacation time. Our 10-year anniversary.
Comes up in 3 days?
3 days.
3 days. But we're going to get an early move on it because we're going across the pond.
We are. We're traveling a bit, so
you know,
a few hours travel.
We got approximately 36 hours.
36 hours.
About 36 hours of traveling time.
Not necessarily just on the planes, but connecting.
Yeah, connecting and all that. So
yeah, so maybe a little cute clue there because you still don't know where we're going.
Yeah, but I mean, we're not so sure we're going to title this video. No. You know, but keep watching and you will see where we end up. And then from there, we're just going to be vlogging and try to keep you guys there with us.
Yeah, we may not vlog we may not upload a vlog every day.
Well, no, by the time they see this, a vlog will be uploading every day.
Right.
You know, because like I was saying, we probably do a teaser while we're there.
Yeah.
But my thing is when I get back home, I feel more comfortable. Working on my desktop and you know, boom, boom, boom. Yeah. So, that's what you think about our hats.
Mr. and Mrs.
Yeah, I mean, it's obvious that we're married. It's like, you know, walk through the airport, everybody's just gonna know.
Yeah, or suspect. They probably think we just got married.
Yes, or they probably look at us and be like, newlyweds.
Yeah, but wait till we tell them. It's 10 years.
Now, 10 years been putting up with.
Yeah.
Anyway, people, next segment we should be at the airport or on the airplane.
Yeah, or
somewhere, but we'll keep you posted.
Definitely.
So, until then.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now. Hello, people. We're at the airport.
Well, we haven't reached our destination yet. We're still in Zürich Airport.
Yeah, it was a smooth. Yeah. It was a smooth check-in.
Yeah. It was quick.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. So we're gonna be chilling here for about another hour, and then we'll let you guys know where we're going.
Maybe.
Yes.
But then they might not.
No.
Keep it
incognito. Yeah. That's okay.
Going for it. He has a habit of doing this. Not telling me when the camera is rolling.
Yes. I'm looking forward to our 12-hour flight.
But we kind of like woke up really early. We had about 5 hours sleep each.
Deliberately.
Yeah, so we'll fall asleep easy.
We deprived ourselves of sleep so we can sleep through this one. So, let's see where we take you guys.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. will chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly. We'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll fly. Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll fly.
We are.
Bet you're tired of hearing that. Guess
Yes.
where
We're in Singapore,
Singapore or Changi Airport.
Asia.
One of the best airports in the world.
That's what they say, but we're about to find out because we need to go to Terminal 1 and we're at Terminal 2 at the moment.
It is the best airport so far because
Wife for Life found 10 Singapore dollars. Yeah.
that's about 7 francs.
Yeah,
about
£7.
£5.
Yeah, $7 US. So I think this trip is going to be a very good trip.
Yeah.
Going off our history of traveling. Well, first of all, let us make the apology
Yeah.
for we're filming with the iPhone at the moment
Yeah.
because
Somebody forgot to pack the second battery.
the second battery is packed, but it's actually in our
Yes.
check-in luggage and the charger as well. So stupid me, you know. But anyway, I know when we mix the footage from iPhone to the Canon G7X,
Yeah, it's gonna
the
look
vocal is different. The quality is good because this is the 8 Plus,
Yeah.
you know, but the vocal is different. Anyway, Wife for Life found $10 here.
Yeah.
Oh,
We're
I
waiting
think that's.
for the Sky train to go to Terminal 1.
Is this our SkyTrain?
I think so.
Okay, we'll pick up in a minute. Yeah. on the SkyTrain to Terminal 1.
Yeah.
But
we're not staying here in Singapore.
No,
Still
no.
have to guess where we're going.
right.
This is just a transfer, so
And now we gotta wait here 12 hours.
12 hours. But it's nice, so don't mind that.
The research that we have done says this is the best airport in the world.
Exactly.
And we're about to put it to a test.
Yeah.
Anyway, back to what I was saying. I think this vacation is going to be a great vacation
Yeah.
because we've had
Please
trains
hold
in our
on to the
life.
handrails. We're now
We
leaving
went
Terminal
to
1.
Paris once. She found 50 euro. And the final destination where we're going, 2 days ago, out of the blue, she found a currency belonging to that country on the train.
That was weird.
That was just weird. And as soon as we stepped into Singapore airport,
Yeah.
10 Singapore dollars.
I seem to keep finding money. I don't know why.
She finds the money. I never find the money.
No, once I found 300 francs.
Oh yes, once she found 300
300
francs. Yes, but I never find money. But we're gonna keep this as our good luck charm. We're not gonna spend it. We're just gonna stack it up with our currency collection because we found it, you know. So I'm gonna take you guys to Terminal 1. So I'll show you guys a little bit.
We are now approaching Terminal 1. Please bring along all your belongings. Welcome to Terminal 1.
You are here, and it is up. Yes.
Terminal 1. We gotta wait here for 12 hours, and we can't check in until
3 hours before.
3 hours before. So we're gonna have to try to make the best of the time.
Yeah.
We've got a swimming pool here. We did some research in this airport before, so we're gonna see if we can
Get a swim in.
get a swim in.
Well, we don't have any swimming costume.
Everything is in the check-in.
Okay.
Okay, but we'll see what we can do. We're gonna, 12 hours is a long time. It's probably our longest layover we've ever had.
Definitely.
And we have to make use of it.
They've also got
There's a check-in down there.
Yeah.
Sorry, what you say?
They've also got a hotel where you can
They got different
sleep
hotels.
for a
They
few
got
hours.
medium range,
Yeah.
cheap,
Yeah.
and dirt cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which are little cubby holes.
Yes. So we'll see because I've got my drone on my back.
Yeah.
And all of the cameras are in it, and it's kind of heavy. So it'd be nice if we could get like a locker service.
And my bag is heavy.
Yeah, so checking with you guys.
Yeah. Keep
In a
you
bit.
informed.
Wow, look where we're at.
We are not at our destination.
We're still at the airport in Singapore, but we're now at the Cactus Garden.
Yep. So
And first thing first,
let's go see these cactuses.
first thing first, it's hot.
It
So
is
to
hot.
take
I
a-
have to take my jacket off.
so I'm about to,
And I'm wearing black, so
we both are wearing black. So I'm about to uncamouflage.
I'm camouflage.
Yeah, hold this way.
This flying creature. Singaporean. Oh, look, little kids. You see it? Yeah, so they're okay.
Cold weather, and you're actually preparing for hot weather.
Yeah.
It's nice.
It's going to be very useful. When we've heard that there's India, so they have to
cool. And it is fantastic.
It's warm, so it'll
be a good dip.
Right for a swim, but like we say, we don't have any swimming gear.
Nope.
So, but there's a lot to see in the airport and do. So
Plus they've got like a hot tub. I'll put a pool behind us, so it can be a showcase. You know, we're a bit dark, but I'm sure you guys are not interested in seeing us right about now, because that's in the airport.
Yeah.
Love this airport.
love it.
Yes.
You can just stay here. You can be Victor Navorsky
Yes.
in terminal.
Yes. A payphone. I haven't seen one of these in like, I don't know, 10 years?
Must be lonely.
No. I haven't seen one. There was an old one in the neighborhood we used to live before. So I haven't seen a payphone in about 5 years. Yeah, so that's our situation at the moment. I was on my way to the toilet, but I saw a payphone and I thought, let's take a picture of it. So, gonna leave Wife for Life out here with my bag. That's how she's looking at the moment. And time is clocking by. My head is all shiny. But once I get out the bathroom area there, I look calm, not so jet lagged. Alright, in a bit. Ooh, their bathroom is very nice and sleek. Check this out. I've been to a lot of airport toilets, but this one is nice. So, wow. It's interesting. Oh, different cultures. That's for squatting. Okay. So I guess depending on your culture, you have to know, oh, this would be my culture, the toilet. Oh, there you go. Anyway, I'm gonna use this right here and that's it. That duty is done. So, now I need to wash my hands, get some soap going. Yep. And my sleeve up. Yeah. I'm gonna put you guys right here for a quick sec so I can handle my business. Yep. Get some tissue out. Told y'all I was take you all on the journey, right? You're on the journey now. Yep. So, just a little damp. Get all this unnecessary sheen off my head. Got a few more hours to wait here. And then after that, we'll be in paradise. So, I'm loving my hat, Mr. Wife for Life is loving hers as well. Mrs. So, there we go. Beard coming along well. I think I shouldn't have put another coat on it. I'm not so sure, but I'll figure that out. Yeah. So, I'm the only one in here, but it's a nice smelling toilet area, restroom. Nice jazzy music, my kind of music going on. And yeah, smells very nice. I think that's jasmine. Can you smell it? It's virtual reality. Just inhale. If you know what jasmine smells like, just imagine it. Got a nice little plant right there. Yeah, they're doing their thing. They definitely doing their thing. And this wifey,
You have a squatting option.
they had a squatting option actually.
Take it though, didn't you?
I was telling them about it. They didn't know what's going
Seen
on.
it in the first one.
Yeah, I even showed it to them. Yeah, someone's actually using it, so I definitely had to catch that and say, it's been a while. It depends on where actually you're living. Maybe some places of the world still use payphone, but I haven't used a payphone or seen one in quite a few years. Guess what? At a charging station. So, Wife for Life's charging her phone there. Got the other Canon battery charging there, and my iPhone being charged there. I guess I was so jet lagged. You're not gonna believe this. How long we've been here?
Oh, maybe about 5 hours.
About 5 hours. I was all beating up myself for filming with the iPhone 8 Plus. Because the iPhone 8 Plus shows good quality, as you guys see. The quality is good. It's just that when we use the G7X, the vocal is not the same. And I was kind of beating up myself for being forgetful. You know, I'm usually an organized person, you know, and I organize everything down to the strip. So I couldn't understand why I would pack my extra battery and my charges in the check-in, you know. Well, we just had dinner. I had a trip.
Maybe that was it. You just needed feeding.
We just had dinner. I had a triple whopper. And Wife for Life
had like a double stack chicken thing.
A double. Guess what? So for the triple whopper meal, I'm talking about a sandwich, fries, and a Sprite. You had a double
chicken,
double
chicken burger, meal, fries, and drink.
The whole thing in Singapore came to 16 francs stroke 16 US dollars. That's cheap. In Zurich, $16, that's just my meal. Yes, 16 francs would cover my triple whopper meal. So anyway, it must have been the meal, because after we ate, we came here. We said, well,
at the charging station.
We need to charge.
Charging station.
We need to charge. Oh yeah. Yeah, charging station. We are so excited that the G7X is back up and running.
You don't have to walk like for 5 minutes to find a good light.
Yes.
As you settle in, we ask that you move into your seat as quickly as possible. Place your smaller personal belongings underneath the seat in front of you, and only your larger bags, wheels first, into an overhead locker.